Have you ever wondered what it feels like to celebrate Canada's Day in one of Canada's most beautiful cities? Today, we are taking you to Victoria, British Columbia, where history, culture, music, and thousands of people came together for an unforgettable celebration.
We love England, we love Canada. Happy Canada Day.
Yeah. Happy Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to everybody.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris, and on this channel we explore beautiful places, share travel experiences, history and cultures from around the world. Today we are in the stunning city of Victoria, British Columbia, celebrating Canada's Day on July 1st. We will be taking you around the famous Inner Harbour, the Parliament buildings, waterfront attractions, street performances, and ending the night with one of the most beautiful firework displays in Canada. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's experience Canada's Day together. Although Canada Day celebrations was scheduled around the Parliament buildings, the area was still relatively quiet when I arrived. It gave me the perfect opportunity to appreciate Victoria before the crowd filled every corner. With the celebrations yet to begin, I decided to send my drone into the sky. From the above, Victoria revealed why it is often called one of Canada's most beautiful cities. The elegant Parliament buildings, the sparkling Inner Harbour, historic architecture, tree-lined streets, and boats gently moving through the marina create a breathtaking landscape. Sometimes the best way to appreciate a city is from above, where every landmark tells part of its story. Not long after returning from capturing these area views, everything had changed. The quiet street had transformed into a sea of smiling faces. Families, tourists, musicians, performers, and visitors from all around the world had gathered to celebrate Canada's Day. The atmosphere was electric. The waterfront had become the heartbeat of celebration. People walked along the harbour enjoying the sunshine. Children laughed as they watched the entertainers. Restaurants buzzed with activity, and music echoed throughout the downtown Victoria. One of the things I love most about Victoria is how nature, history, and city life blend together so effortlessly. Then come one of the most unexpected moments of the day. Earlier that day, England had defeated DR Congo 2-1 in the round of 32 of the FIFA World Cup, and I happened to meet an English-Canadian father who couldn't hide his excitement. Football has an incredible way of bringing strangers together. His passion, excitement, and pride made a memorable conversation. Even better, he and his 3 wonderful children took a moment to wish everyone watching this video a happy Canada Day. Moments like these remind us that travel isn't just about places, it is about people. Okay, what's your name and how do you feel today?
My name's Ashley Sims. I'm from Victoria, BC. So happy England won today. Best day of my life. These are my 3 little beautiful girls, Isabella, Rosie, and Amelia. Happy days. Up this morning, I was a bit tired when I woke up, but then I got the England songs going. A little bit down when we were down 1-0, but then we scored 2 and we took it over. Harry Kane came in.
So good. He won.
I'm so happy Harry Kane.
We love how they won.
Love Canada. Thank you for having us. Thank you for allowing me to watch England play. And yes, and you're welcome for me as well for coming in. And I introduced a lot of good English football players, myself, my 3 beautiful daughters, my beautiful brother-in-law, and we're just happy to be here. And we love England. We love Canada. Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to everybody. Thank you so much for listening to me.
Thank you. That's it.
They bought their own
Coburn song.
so quick to clap, I feel like I need to make you do more things with your arms, so. I'm gonna teach you a quick little dance, you probably already know it. You've heard of the artist Chaperone before. Alright, so it goes. H-O-T-T-O-G-O, stay with me. You can take me hard to go. We're gonna do it one more time. H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me hard to go. All right, everyone in the front row has it, so watch them if you feel like you need to do it. All right, folks, let's do this thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's on my head, but I want non-fiction. You got me out now, pretty, baby, now you let me speak. Later, so you dance with me. It's like 199 degrees. The way you do it, here we go!
As daylight slowly faded, anticipation grew. Thousands of people gathered around the harbor, finding the perfect place to watch the night grand finale. The light of Victoria reflected beautifully across the water as everyone waited together. And then the night sky came alive. Brilliant colors exploded above Victoria Inner Harbour, lighting up the parliament buildings and reflecting beautifully across the water. Cheers echoed throughout the crowd as every burst became more spectacular than the last. It was the perfect ending to an unforgettable Canada Day celebration. Victoria has once again shown why it is one of Canada's most remarkable destinations. From peaceful morning views to lively streets, incredible performances, friendly people, unforgettable conversations, and a spectacular firework display. If you have enjoyed coming along on this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me where you are watching from and how you celebrate your national holidays. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and we will see you in the next adventure.